Hey YouTube, what's up? This is DJ Spy Guy. I'm not streaming on Twitch today, so this is just going to be a nice 4K video over there on YouTube, where you're watching it right now. Let's see what we can do. Probably not as much chatter from me either, and definitely nobody's talking on the TTS today. There's going to be a big rainstorm this afternoon. And it might even rain a little bit on this trip to work this morning. It's Thursday, November, I don't even know, 2025. I think it's the 6th. 10 degrees. We've still got leaves on the trees, but they're coming down real fast now. And the cleanup is going to begin. Looks like it's already, people are already cleaning their own yards up and everything, right? So, but how's it going, YouTube? Where are you guys watching from? Put it down in the comments below. Be awesome to see. This is nice and squishy and gross. All these leaves churned up. Ooh. Leaves can be very slippery though, so I'm going to take it carefully through here. Of course, we got the red light. Oh, green light. Green light. And we got a Toyota with its lights flashing for some reason up there. Oh, we always see something weird and wild on this bike ride. That was very convenient. Thank you, button pushers. Yeah, super stormy this afternoon. Lots of precipitation once again. And then tomorrow, I believe I'm working from home. So I'm bringing my laptop home on my bike, so I'm gonna have to double bag it in some plastic bags along with this protective bag as well, so it doesn't get wet. And then on my panniers I've got protective covers as well. So hopefully I can get to work here without some rain. But it said it was gonna rain on my ride in. I like how there's different levels or different terms for the strength of precipitation. You know, you got light rain, you got a drizzle, you got showers, you just have rain, thunder showers. Those are nice in the summertime, kind of, when it's really hot and humid out. Okay, what's going on here? These cars are backed up quite a ways. Oh, I see. That truck doesn't know what they're doing. Well, let's just carefully get down here. It's going to be red when we get to the bottom, but that's okay. Oh yeah, slow down here. These dang leaves. I wonder how many bikes have crashed already here. All right, it's a walk, so I get to ride my bike. I don't know. That's such a dangerous little crosswalk there, with pedestrians walking right in front of the path of speeding bikes sometimes, and they wear their headphones and don't look left. So as a cyclist, you got to be careful on those people. You can't just think they'll look up. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can get this next light. There's a possibility it could be green by the time we get there. And then just around the corner, there is a train line or a railway crossing. And sometimes there's a train going across, a freight train. Ooh, look at all these cars, or bikes. Here we go. Scooters, racing bikes, commuting bikes, all sorts. That first person cut the corner, which is very, very dangerous to do on this bike route, because there could be another bike coming on that side. There's no need to do that. Okay, looks like we get to go now. Yeah, it's dark and gray. It's Vancouver in November. Now, this intersection is quite sketchy as well, but we're okay. And my nose likes to run as well on these days. That's the last little bit of a hill we have. And here we go. Go down here. And then we got the world's biggest speed bump coming up. And I think the rain might be on its way. Big speed bump. Whoop, whoop. Another dangerous intersection up here. Yep, that rain is coming. I can feel it. You can probably hear it. And you'll probably see it on the lens soon. And maybe it's there already. Oh, we got a green light here. Let's get this light if we can. Gotta go fast, like Sonic. Oh, and here comes the rain. Gotta let those zombies know you're coming. Can I get this light too? Shit. Probably, yes, I will make this my light. Careful for the leaves. Just zipping up my jacket a bit so you might hear me more muffled now. Yeah, this is the rain. Let's clean you off a little. There we go. Oh, we gotta go fast as well to get this next set of lights. And I hear police or ambulance coming down. Oh, we got some Canada geese here today. Hello, geesies. Yeah, this is just a little bit of rain. This afternoon it's gonna pour. It's not a crosswalk. I was cleaning up a little bit so you can see a bit better for a little bit longer. Yeah, we're getting lots of water on the lens today. That sucks. I don't find it very enjoyable to watch with the water on the lens. It looks kind of funny. So thanks for continuing to watch this VOD, this little bike ride here. Just me going to work. Usually I'm over at twitch.tv/DJ Spy Guy, and I do that live, but this is just a recorded episode. So that my electronics don't get soaking wet. Well, let's clean you off a little bit more here. I see some sunshine over there. But thanks to the YouTube regulars, you know, CC Urbanist. Big shout out to him or her. Or they or them. We'll stop here for a second, kind of pause. I don't know what that car is doing, if they're going left or right. Are you going left or right? Why don't people signal anymore? That's so annoying. All the cars have signal lights on them that you can activate. All right. I don't know. Oh, and now it's sunny on the other side. Look at that. Where's the rainbow? We will go end the stream over this way, or not stream, but the video recording. Oh, sunny out. Awesome. Okay. Once again, thanks everybody for tuning in. Let me just clear you up one more last time there. DJ Spy Guy, another bike ride to work down. Hopefully this one turns out okay. I know it's going to be a little bit different. Maybe the audio sucked. Maybe the video sucked. But we'll see. Comment down below how it went, how you thought it looked. And if you want to see more of these 4K videos, also check me out over at djspyguy.com. All right, later.